$1,000 pistols? Overhyped. These 10 guns cost under $500, and they destroy the so-called premium picks. Reliability, accuracy, durability, you name it, they win it. And wait till you see which one outperforms a Glock at half the price. Trust us, you won't believe number 3. Number 10, CCY DVG-1. RDR SCCY DVG-1. RD Striker fired 9mm pistol, includes a red dot sight. The SCCY DVG-1 RD, red dot, Striker fired 9mm pistol comes with a Riton optic sight, 2 magazines, and an affordable $399 price tag. But not everything has changed. At a glance, the DVG-1 doesn't look much different than a CPX pistol. Like its predecessor, the DVG-1 is ideally sized for concealed carry. It stands 5.6 inches tall, is 6.01 inches in length, and is just an inch wide. It features a 3.1-inch barrel with a 1:16 right-hand twist. Tipping the scale at a modest 15.5 ounces, the DVG-1 won't weigh you down. DVG-1 is a striker-fired pistol with a much lighter 5.5-pound trigger pull. Reducing the trigger pull weight by almost half is conducive to better shooting, as the trigger requires less force to activate. The DVG-1 trigger is also straight with a flat face. A straight trigger can provide additional leverage as opposed to a curved trigger like on the CPX. DVG-1 ships with 2 10-round magazines, each with an optional extension to accommodate your little finger. Just as my Ford pickup gets me where I need to go without a lot of flair, SCCY pistols provide an opportunity for just about everyone. The DVG-1RD is reliable and accurate enough to get you on the path to self-defense. Number 9, Bursa Thunder 380, plus the Bursa Micro Compact Thunder 380, plus offers the ultimate blend of power, capacity, and portability. Engineered for concealed carry, this pistol offers increased capacity without compromising on size. With a double-stack magazine holding up to 15 rounds of .380 ACP, it provides ample firepower in a compact package. Featuring a manual safety, ergonomic grip, and sleek profile, the Thunder 380 Plus ensures comfort and control for confident carry and precise shooting. These firearms have been intended for personal security, finely built, with an excellent performance and reliability. Designed for quite a discreet carrying, with an ammunition capacity appropriate to the requirements of a casual confrontation, taking mainly into account their low weight and reduced size. Hailing from Argentina, this double-stack variant of the popular Thunder 380 offers an impressive 15 plus 1 round capacity. Despite its budget-friendly price, around $350 to $400, the Thunder 380 Plus comes with features you'd expect on pricier pistols: an extended beaver tail for better control, ambidextrous safety charm decocker, combat-style sights, and a smooth DASA trigger. Number 8, Taurus GX4. With the introduction of our first-ever micro-compact 9mm, the all-new Taurus GX4 boldly outclasses anything else in its class, reaching unprecedented new heights in concealed carry firearm engineering, ergonomics, and innovation. On the outside, there can be no doubt that every streamlined inch of this rugged striker-fired semi-auto was meticulously crafted for EDC readiness and reliability. The Taurus GX4 micro-compact semi-auto pistol reaches new levels in concealed carry engineering and ergonomics. Every inch of this streamlined, everyday carry, micro-compact handgun is meticulously crafted for readiness and reliability. The GX4 boasts full-size capacity alongside an ultra-concealable 1-inch wide reinforced frame. For comfort, it features a flat face, serrated trigger for enhanced comfort and control. The signature indexing and recoil management pad, or MP, help increase accuracy while shooting quickly. The magazine and grip cuts make magazine stripping easy, and its easy takedown pin lets you disassemble quickly. The Taurus GX4 is Taurus's competitive entry into the micro-compact 9mm market. It typically retails for around $279 to $339. The Taurus GX4 features a steel alloy slide, stainless steel frame, and the barrel is stainless steel with a satin DLC coating. White dot front and serrated drift adjustable backside. Visual loaded chamber indicator. Number 7. Ruger EC9s. The Ruger EC9S 9mm pistol is a compact and lightweight handgun designed for recreational shooting and personal defense. Weighing just 17.2 ounces and featuring a 3.1 2-inch barrel, this pistol is easy to handle and conceal. Its double-action trigger provides smooth performance, while the 7+1 magazine capacity offers enough rounds for most situations. The glass-filled nylon frame with a polymer grip provides a comfortable hold, and the fixed front and rear sights make target acquisition simple. The 1 in 10-inch RH twist rate ensures consistent performance with 9mm centerfire ammo. With a manual safety for added peace of mind, this pistol is a practical choice for shooters looking for a compact, easy-to-carry option that doesn't compromise on functionality. Double-action trigger with 7+1 capacity, glass-filled nylon frame with a polymer grip. Fixed sights perfect for budget-conscious concealed carry. It weighs just 17.2 ounces, has a 3.12-inch barrel, and holds 7+1 rounds. Street price in the US typically runs $249. Others note it's snappy due to its lightweight and small grip, and the fixed sights frustrate some shooters. Number 6. Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. The Palmetto State Armory Dagger is redefining the budget handgun market. Chambered in 9mm and based heavily on the Glock 19 Gen 3 platform, the Dagger delivers reliability, modularity, and performance at an unbeatable price point. Its compact size makes it ideal for concealed carry, while the aggressive texturing on the polymer frame ensures a solid grip in any condition. The Dagger features a stainless steel slide with a durable black nitride or FDE finish, and many variants come optics-ready with RMR cut slides for red dot compatibility. The trigger is crisp with a clean break and short reset, offering excellent control during rapid fire. PSA also offers a wide variety of Dagger models with threaded barrels, suppressor height sights, and enhanced ergonomics. Whether you're looking for a range pistol, truck gun, or a dependable EDC option, the PSA Dagger punches well above its price class. Backed by Palmetto State Armory's reputation for value and performance, the Dagger is one of the best budget-friendly handguns on the market today. Number 5. Stuger STR 9C Compact. Everyday tough meets everyday carry. Stuger's STR 9 semi-automatic pistol sets the personal defense pistol bar high with features such as an integrated rail, internal safety, reversible magazine release, optimized slide serrations, 3-dot sight system, and enhanced ergonomics. The STR 9C carries on the legacy by offering all the full-size features, power, and reliable performance in a more compact version optimized for concealed carry. Each STR 9 comes outfitted with a 3-dot sight system featuring snag-resistant edges to ensure smooth draws and holstering. Optional tritium night sights are available. Among the STR 9's integrated safety features is a tactile loaded chamber indicator on the top of the receiver that automatically raises when a round is chambered. This allows the user to confirm the presence of a round in the chamber by touch in low light. The crisp, clean-breaking trigger with internal safety gives a reliable shooting experience. Change the magazine release to left or right operation to fit your shooting style. Tailor the STR 9's fit to your hand by using one of the 3 interchangeable backstraps. A comfortable, custom fit will help get you on target more quickly. The low-bore axis reduces muzzle jump to get you back on target quickly after each shot. Number 4. S&W SD9V E2.0. The Smith & Wesson SD9 VE is a reliable, budget-friendly 9mm pistol that blends performance with simplicity. Built with a polymer frame and a stainless steel slide, it offers a solid balance of durability and lightweight handling. One of its standout features is the self-defense trigger, SDT, designed to provide a consistent and smooth pull, ideal for defensive shooting. With a 16+1 capacity, the SD9VE gives you ample rounds without the bulk of a larger pistol. The grip texture is aggressive enough for solid control, yet comfortable for extended range sessions. Its white dot sights are easy to pick up, and the overall ergonomics are surprisingly good for a gun in this price range. While it lacks some modern upgrades like optics-ready slides or interchangeable backstraps, the SD9VE shines as a dependable, no-nonsense firearm for everyday carry or home defense. It's especially popular among first-time gun owners who want trusted reliability without breaking the bank. Simply put, it gets the job done. Number 3. Ruger Security 9 Compact. The Ruger Security 9 Compact 9mm pistol is made with an alloy steel barrel and slide for durability and features a glass-filled nylon grip frame with texturing that offers secure handling. Designed to be compact and easily concealable, this pistol delivers a fixed front sight and a drift-adjustable rear sight. The integrated trigger safety and external manual safety help ensure safe use. Compact for easy concealment, the Security 9 is designed to fit a variety of available holsters. Rugged construction with black oxide, through hardened alloy steel slide and barrel, and high performance, glass-filled nylon grip frame. Precision machined, hard-coat anodized aluminum chassis with full-length guide rails. Utilizes Ruger's safe, reliable, and proven secure action trademark fire control system that combines a protected internal hammer with a bladed safety trigger. The trigger has a short, smooth pull, clean break, and positive reset. Textured grip frame provides a secure and comfortable grip. Dovetailed high-visibility sight system with drift-adjustable rear sight and fixed front sight. Sights can be easily changed out for different color options, available separately. Internal secure action hammer provides strong ignition force, yet allows for easier slide racking when compared with many striker-fired pistols. Front cocking serrations enable positive slide manipulation. Safety features include integrated trigger safety, external manual safety, neutrally balanced sear with significant engagement in strong spring tension, and hammer catch to help prevent the hammer from contacting the firing pin unless the trigger is pulled. Safe, easy takedown with no special tools or trigger pull required. Also includes 2 alloy steel magazines. Number 2, Taurus G3. Tactical first factory custom variant of the G3 9mm defensive handgun. The new G3 Tactical comes ready for duty with design features that accept key user-installed aftermarket upgrades. The Taurus G3 Tactical is a full-size polymer, striker-fired pistol that visually sets itself apart from the standard Taurus G3 with its receiver and Magpul FDE and slide complemented with an element-resistant Patriot Brown Cerakote finish. Offered in either 17 or 10-round magazine configurations, the Taurus G3 Tactical delivers the same ergonomic performance and reliable operation that has made the Taurus G3 handgun a leader in the personal defense handgun category. Optimal height for suppressed shooting without a red dot optic. Can be utilized as backup iron sights when equipped with a red dot. Provides the shooter with visual verification if a cartridge is loaded in the chamber. Features a 2-stage flat-face trigger designed to provide a light take-up with a distinct wall, crisp break, and short reset capabilities. Factory threaded for attaching suppressors or aftermarket compensators. Diamond-like coating, or DLC, provides lower friction, resulting in increased durability. Cerakote coating withstands the diverse elements of everyday carry. Number 1 Conic TP9SF. The TP9SF is a 9mm striker-fired pistol that has successfully passed 60,000 round torture tests without any failures, while still maintaining NATO standards for accuracy. With superior durability, reliability, and unparalleled trigger, the TP9SF pistol represents an ideal option for both competition or self-defense-minded users. Includes new patented retention, holster, new barrel and slide have an ultra-durable nitride finish on black models and Cerakote over nitride on the colored models. Short reset, single-action trigger design with nickel-coated action components. Warren tactical sights, MillisTD 1913, under barrel rail, loaded chamber indicator, side reversible magazine catch, and alternate back straps for a custom fit. 2 magazines, magazine loader, and cleaning kit available in black or flat dark earth with 18-round or 10-round magazines. There you have it. 10 budget beasts that don't just compete with the $1,000 elites. They smoke them. These guns prove you don't need deep pockets to carry deep confidence. Whether it's concealed carry, range duty, or just all-around reliability, these under 500 pistols bring serious firepower to the table without the premium price tag. So next time someone brags about their overpriced toy, remind them, performance isn't about the price tag. It's about what your gun can actually do when it matters. Which one impressed you the most? Or do you already own one of these budget killers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what's in your holster. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More no-nonsense gun reviews are on the way. This is your one-stop shop for truth, firepower, and value. Stay sharp, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.